and today we're gonna do I Ready Math. Say I Ready Math. Not I Ready Written, but I Ready Math. Click on it to enjoy. I'm almost done.
Try again. These 3 cards all have a value of 63. Choose these cards.
Puddles, that's a double.
Match each multiplication expression to its product.
Okay. Correct. So, yeah. Please, yes. So this and this. Then it has to be this. No. Yeah, this and this. No, actually this and this. No, oh yeah. This and this. This and this. This and this.
Let's do some more.
Let's do some.
Match each multiplication expression to its product.
Guys, I see the door behind you. No, actually, I'm not joking. I see a door behind you. I see a door. I'm just joking. Because we have to match each
multiplication expression to its product.
Now. I see a door behind you. Ow. See a door behind you. See a door. I was like, sure, still room for my Yankee, and I just find out your replacement. Mr.
Nice.
Since you use it to. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. It's equals 16. You guys are not. 8 equals 16. You guys aren't mean. Guys, bye everyone. See you in our next vid. Ah! Not to do my work like this? I don't want to. So guys, sorry for like that. It's pretty. Guys, my ass was just itchy. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so that's good. Now time for math. So guys. And then, wait a minute. Where's 25? Where's 25? Where's 25? Well, off to sing dole. So guys, what's this to this? What's this? Bye everyone, see you in our next video. Bye guys, I might say vid. Yeah, and that's concrete, dude. Bye everyone, see you in our next vid. Let my oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, what? Oh. Guys, let me do a backflip. Red, yellow.
Tap on the green arrow button to keep going.
Okay, you don't have to tell me that because I already knew.
What's another way to find 7 times 5?
7 times 5. Let me think of the answer. So it's this, guys. We already know. Because it equals 35. This equals 35 too.
Find the product.
That equals 35. I'm about to dive in the water in the deep, deep
6
ocean.
times 7 equals 42.
We already know that.
Find this product.
7 times 7, that is so very easy. The answer is... that equals 49. I'm trying to type it in. 8 minutes and 17 seconds.
6 times 9 equals 54. Find this product.
What in the world? In the world? Now, guys. 7 times 9 equals 63. 6 and 3. 3.
Find the product.
It's kind of like 6 or 7 backward. That's why it's 42. A goon.
Find the product.
It equals 21. I know a lot about multiplication. That equals to 1.
Nice job.
Yes. First we can do some of my stuff. And I'm not playing no one.
Dino.
I said like all my coins, and I have the most coins in my school, guys. Yes. I don't want that. God, Dino. Dino's just a meano. Is he mean? Okay. Well. Practice. Oh, nah.
You can break apart 8 into 4 plus 4 to make multiplying easier. Let's look at multiples of 8.
Let's find 8 times 4. Split the 8 by 4 array into 2 equal arrays.
Of course, of course. Some might say, he doesn't need to talk.
Each array has 4
What did I
rows of
just-
4 balls. How many balls are in the top array?
There's 4. Oh, no. Not 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So the answer may be 16. Boona,
The
boona,
top
boo,
array
boona,
has 16
boo.
balls. How many balls are in the bottom array?
Are you kidding me right now? Because it's the same. It's 16. Can't you multiply the
The
same?
bottom array has 16 balls. How many balls are there in all?
So guys, 8 times 4 equals, so that equals 30. I think the answer was 32. Sometimes I forget. Yeah, it's 42.
There are 32 balls. 8 times 4 equals 32. Let's find 8 times 7.
6 times 7.
Split the 8 by 7 array into 2 equal arrays.
4 and 4 again? You kidding?
Each array has 4 rows of 7 stars.
Okay,
How
that
many
could
stars
be
are
true.
in the top array?
There's 28 stars. And I'm not lying, guys.
The top array has 28 stars. The bottom 4 by 7 array also has 28 stars. How many stars are there in all?